Hi Sheila, I'm just going to give you some feedback to your writing. Light bulbs are one of the best inventions that we mostly use until now that you can see everywhere. Okay, so here the awkward thing is the verb. So that's something you need to think about with your writing is the verb tense and the verb forms, that it's conjugated right, etc. So light bulbs are one of the best inventions that we use, we don't need mostly, or that we have used until now. And take out the that, and you can see, and we need a pronoun reference, you can see what? You can see them everywhere. First, what's missing here? What am I missing? I'm missing a preposition, right? First, at home, we use light bulb. Remember we talked about that. It should have an S, generic noun. We use light bulbs, especially at night. If we have no light, what do we need here? It's the conditional. So if we have no light, we wouldn't be able to see at night. Second, streets or parks. Okay, I have to change the structure a little bit of the sentence. Second, we wouldn't, again, we need the conditional here. We wouldn't be able to enjoy streets or parks at night if there is or was no light, period. Then we could still work late without worrying because it's already night. That part's a little bit awkward, so I would just take that right out. Unless you want to add a new sentence there to express the idea about worry, but I'm not sure what it is. So you could try to rewrite that and I can help you with it. Finally, hospitals that every day use light bulb. Again, it's awkward here. Finally, hospitals. So this, the position of this word, it needs to be moved. Finally, hospitals use, okay, subject verb agreement, light bulbs, remember because it's a generic noun, and then at the end, every day, to check their patients and to operate. In conclusion, the light bulb makes, because it's true right now in the present. So the light bulb, and it's true always, okay? So we're not using past tense. The light bulb makes a safer nighttime home environment, that's good. And subject, verb, and makes, right? Subject, verb, our life, I think that's a spelling mistake, easier. Life without the light bulb would be just like we are blind in the dark. Excuse me. So, once again, work on your verbs.